Hey guys, welcome back to another video by me, Bill Clintington. Today I'll be showing you how to make Ubuntu 2110 look a bit more modern using different themes and icon packs and stuff. Well, let's get started. So first of all, what we want to do is head over to the settings. So just type in settings, and we want to change it so then the side panel there is down at the bottom. This will make it look more modern. And then what we next want to do is go into Google Chrome. We want to head over to the Chrome Web Store. And then what we want to do is search for the extension called Gnome Shell Integration. So that's it there. And we just want to add this to Google Chrome. So when we're prompted, we just click Add Extension, and then that should add the extension. So what we now want to do is search for Gnome Shell Extensions. And so we just find that web page. And so the one we are wanting to enable is called Dash-to-dock. So we just search for Dash-to-dock up here. And then we click that, and then click the on button, which will switch it on, and it will prompt you to install it. And so there we go, that's just got like a modern looking macOS-esque dock that we've now got. So now we can go ahead and apply some themes. But as you can see, there's a bit of an issue where the it's kind of showing two different docks. If that makes sense. You can see the back one there and that one there. So to actually fix that issue, we have to sort of log out of our GNOME session and log back in. So I'll just do that now. So now what we want to do is head over to the terminal. So if we just search for terminal, so the first command we want to enter is sudo space apt-get update, and we enter our password. And that should go ahead and search for updates, and we can now do the same but with upgrade instead of update. So that will give us a bunch of different updates that we'll need. Just ignore that error message there. That's just something I tried to do the other day but it didn't work. Something to do with GNOME. We next need to install Gnome Tweaks. So sudo apt-get install Gnome-Tweaks. There we go, so that's Gnome Tweaks installed. Anyway, now that that's done, we can go ahead and get the theme to work. So what we first want to do is head over to the terminal. Make that full screen. And we want to type in the following. So that's sudo apt-get, install, well, so sudo apt install ninja-build space git space meson space sassc, and that will ask for the password, and then it will install a bunch of packages onto our computers. And then what we next want to do is type in the following. So git clone https://github.com/lasse Congo with a K 83 /adw-gtk3.git. So this is basically a theme which will make Ubuntu look kind of like GNOME 42, which isn't out yet, which will be utilizing the Libadwaita theme by default when it gets released. But yeah, once that's been downloaded, we type in cd /adw-gtk3, and then we type in meson build. There we go, and then it builds it for us. And then we type in cd build, and then we type in sudo ninja build no, not build, install, sorry. There we go. So now that we've got that installed, we can now go to Tweaks, Gnome Tweaks. We go to Appearance, and then Applications. You should see AEW-GTK3. There's the light one, and then there's the dark one. I'll go for the dark one. So as you can see, it looks a lot more modern now. But next we need to install an icon theme. So to do that, we go to the terminal. It's the Papirus icon theme. It looks very good, very nice. So sudo add-apt-repository, and then ppA:/papyrus/ and that password there. We just press enter. It'll do an update. And now we need to do sudo apt-get install papyrus-icon-theme. And then that will install the Papirus icon theme. Anyway, in the meantime, I can quickly exit out of Gnome Tweaks, just because it needs to be restarted in order to add a new theme. Anyway, now that that's done, we can go back to Gnome Tweaks again. Appearance, and then we can change the icon theme to Papirus. As you can see, Papirus looks a lot nicer on here anyway. And also we can now install a new cursor theme, which looks good too. The cursor theme is called Breeze. It's what's used by default on Manjaro, Linux and KDE Plasma, but we can install it on Ubuntu easily. So the what we're needing to type in is the following. So sudo apt-get install breeze-cursor-theme. And then that will install that theme. So now we go back to Tweaks and Appearance and Cursor, and we can choose from Breeze Cursors, which is the dark one, and then Breeze Snow, which is the white one that kind of looks Windows-esque. I'm going to go for the dark one since I prefer the look of that. And also we can also change the wallpaper too. So if we right click on the desktop and then change background, and then we can choose from all the default ones. I'll just pick the one with the trees, since that's a nice looking wallpaper. And in terms of customizing the Dash-to-dock, we right click on the square applications menu icon, and we click Dash-to-dock settings, and that should bring us to this here, and we can change the size of the icons by kind of using the scroll wheel on the. So if you're wanting it a bit smaller like that, then it will look better. And in terms of appearance, we can actually shrink the dash to make it kind of a bit smaller. We can make it kind of so it's kind of see-through. But anyway, I think that's it really. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.